All right, this is going to be Hotel California, the unplugged version from 1994, where they added some great classical sounding guitar solos to the intro. So we're going to start out with this thing here. We're going to have, normally it's a B minor chord that starts Hotel California, but here we're going to have a B minor 9. So it's going to be 7s with a 9 on the bottom string. Okay, then we're going to go to an A chord, and then an E minor chord. And then there's going to be a cool little fill thing. We got to wait a little while. We're going to go to an F sharp chord, 4 3 2 2. So the first one is 7 7 7 9. That's a B minor 9. And then an A chord, 7 6 5 5. And then E minor 2 open open open. Like I say, we'll wait a while, and then we go F sharp chord, 4 3 2 2. Okay, so let's get on into the solo. So first we're going to have the chord. We have a great little riff here with Joe Walsh. This is Joe Walsh and Don Felder going back and forth and trading off these killer solos on like classical nylon string acoustics. Okay, so we have 4 in the G string, and then we hit it again, hammer on pull off to the 6, slide down to that 3, so it's, and then 4 6 7 9. So let's look at that again. We got, and the end of that is second string, 7 7 8 7, hammer on pull off, 9 to 11 on the G. So we got, okay, then we have the A chord, and here we're gonna have, so we do the A, and we have 2 4 in the G, and then 3 2 on the second string, big string 4 to 2 on the G, so it's 2 4 3 2 4 2, hammer on, and then back to the 2 there, 2 4 2, slide the 4 to 2 on the D string, hammer on there. So once again it's, then we go E minor. Now we're going to go really slow, 2 0 open open, and then 4 2 open open, and then 5 4 open open, and then 9 7 open open. Okay, so that was E minor. Now we're going to come down here to the third string, 9 8 and 7 on these bottom 3. We're going to go 9 8 7 pull off, and then 9 8 pinky on the 10 pull off. And we're going to do that in succession and kind of speed it up as we go. So take it nice and slow. We got, and when Joe Walsh is doing it, or maybe it's Don Felder, when he starts speeding up, the crowd goes crazy, of course. And then we're going to end that with, so we have that 9 8 7. We're going to do that little 7, kind of a rake down there to the 7. 7 6 7 9 10 9 10 12 up to that 14, and that's where that F sharp chord would come in. So it's, okay, and then the drums come in, and then we're going to go through our second round of solo. It's going to be, okay, so there's going to be our notes. We got our 7 7 7 9, and then 9 on the big one, 7 8 7 on the second string, 9 on the G, 2 7s, and 9 to 7. So it's, then we go 7 on the G, and then 9 7 pull off, big 9 over there, and then hammer on or slide 7 to 9 on the big one. So it's. Then we go A chord. We have this new riff. So this is 7 to 9 on the big string, kind of a hammer. And then 7/6 on the G, big 9, couple sixes, 7 to 9. So it's. Now we're gonna go 6, 7, 9 on the G string to 8 on the second string. So 6, 7, 9, 8, and then 7 on the second string. Quick 8 to 10 hammer on to get to that little 7. So it's. Then we have 9, and then triplet, 10, 9, 10. So it's like 4 and go to the 12, slide it on down. Okay, so let's look at all this part again. We got. Now we're going E minor. And now this time we're gonna go quicker, not just dum 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 dum. We're gonna go bum ba da dum. So bum da da dum, and then 4/2 open open. And it's the second and third notes that are really quick together. And then we go to the 9/7 open open. It's kind of just 1 2 3 4. Now in this 9/7 open open, we're gonna go 1 2 3 4 instead of that fancier fast thing. 1 2 3 4, and then we're gonna go 7 to open on the little string, pull off, open on the second string, and then 10 12 10 on the little string, 12 on the second string. 12, 10, 12. F sharp chord comes in. So we have 9, 9 to 10 to 9 to 7, and then 7, 9, 7, 6. Then we're going to go to the second string, 8, 7, 7, 7, 8, 7. So those are like triplets, like 3 and 4 and we end with 9 to 7. 7, and then 6, 9, 8. So this last one is. Okay, Hotel California, unplugged version, intro, solo. Do a quick review. Okay, in the second half. Hotel California Unplugged, the Eagles. Awesome stuff. Got a tab with this. Hope you dig it. Talk to you soon.